Welcome to Manny's Automotive. Today we have a 2013 Audi A6 Quattro. I'm going to be showing you how to replace your cabin air filter on this vehicle. The first thing we're going to do is go to the passenger side of the car. Here's where the glove box is. We're going to follow that down to underneath to where your passenger feet go. You're going to see this screw here, that screw there, and you're going to see one little hook here. We're not going to mess with this here. So we're gonna grab these two screws, lefty-loosey, and remove these, which they weren't tight at all. We're gonna grab this little panel here and just peel this back and get it out of our way. And right here, you're going to see the clip. This is the clip. You're just gonna grab that and pull down. This piece completely removes. You stick your finger in here. You pull back your cabin filter. You replace it, put the new one in, and here you're gonna see this has this little tab right here. And let's get you a nice little look in here. You see there's a nice little hole right there. So you slide this in. So it takes a little bit of finagling to get it nice and right. Let's play with it a little bit. There we go. Once it's on, you just pop it right back up. Boop. Done. You peel this little panel back over. Make sure you put it in there all the way properly. Line it up to where the bolts go. You'll feel those. You grab your little bolts. You turn them again. Righty-tighty. Done on that one. We grab the next one, which was on this side. Secure that back up. And done. You have successfully changed your cabin air filter. If you find this video useful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.